So I'm currently behind the wheel of the 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross, and I have the key right here, and I'm going to take some time to showcase how you can swap out the battery in your key fob should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob. Locate on the back side this little slot that has an arrow, and what you're going to do is push that down in the direction of that little arrow and pull on the key fob portion that connects to a keychain. So slide that down like so and pull out, and it's going to reveal a manual key. Now hold on to that manual key, because on the tip of it, it kind of has like a little ledge, and that's going to basically be a key in itself, and you're going to slide it in the center of the key and like so, and it's going to, your choice, up or down, twist, and it's going to pop the key into two pieces plus a circuit board in the center. So be wary of that. So grab the portion that has the buttons, you can slide that down and then kind of let the circuit board fall out in your hand, and that will reveal the battery. So this has a Panasonic CR2450 battery. I will put a link in the description where you can purchase the cheapest one on Amazon. I see a lot of folks commenting that they weren't shown how to pop out a battery because I have brand new key fobs and they don't need to be changed. So at this point I usually clamshell it back together, but in this case just use your little bezeled edge, stick it at the top right here and pop it out, and that's how you get it out. So I don't need to do that, so we're just gonna clamshell it back together. So assume I put the battery back in. When you do that, be sure to try to not touch the underside without the writing of the battery, because the oils from your fingers can lower the life of that battery, and you'll be doing this faster than you normally would. So grab your circuit board, pop it back in the bottom side of the key fob, grab the other side with the buttons, clamshell it together. I always joke, try not to push the red button on the front of your key fob to scare you or your neighbors while you're doing this. So clamshell it all together, you're good there. Be sure to grab your manual key and slide it back in, and you are good to go. You do not need to reprogram the key to your car or anything like that. If a dealer tells you that, they're just trying to get some money out of you. The key will remember that it's your key. All you did was swap out the battery. And I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.